topic, prime factorization. What is prime factorization? When a number is expressed as a product of prime numbers. An example, 1 and the number itself. So this is prime factorization. Prime factorization is very easy topic. Let's take an example that we have to find out the prime factor of 45. So we have to write this way, and first of all, always use the smallest prime number. You know that the smallest prime number is 2. Okay, so 2 with the 2 table we can't do it, then we have to take the 3 table. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 fives are 15. Again it go with 3 table, 3 fives are 15, and then the last 5 ones are 5. Okay, so the 45 factors are 3 into 3 into 5. So these all numbers are prime. So this is called the prime factorization. So let's take one more example, that 54. Second example, we are taking 54. 54. Now you know the first step, that you have to draw this way line, and here we will write 54, and we will start. You know the divisibility test, we will see the unit place, it is even, so we will start with 2. 2 twos are 4 and 2 sevens are 14. Again, now with 3, 3 nines are 27. Then with 3, 3 threes are 9, and the last 3 ones are 3. So 54 factors are 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So these are the factors, and these all number, if you see, they are prime. Okay, if it is given in the question, by using prime numbers solve the question, so you have to use the prime numbers. Now the next topic is factor tree. Factor tree means the prime factors of a number can be shown diagrammatically, known as a factor tree. Let's take an example. With the help of example, we can. Now we are going to express 56 by factor tree. So if we have to show, before that you have to solve this 56 by this method. 2 28s are, 2 14s are, 2 sevens are, and 7 ones are. Now we will show it diagrammatically. Okay, so we have to make here circle, and now we will write 56 inside this circle. The left side of the circle, you have to write the number with which 56 will be divisible, and the quotient, what you will get here, that 2 28s are. Okay, and then again with 2 you have to do 2 14s are. Again you have to do with 2 2 sevens are, and you have to make it neatly. Diagonally the numbers are coming, and this side you can write 7. It go 7 ones are 7. The last factor always come this way down 1. And now children, in between this you have to put this multiplication sign, because 2 into 2 into 2 into this last one 7 into 1 gives you 56. So therefore you will write here 56 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So that is your answer. And if you want to write this in the exponential notation, so they are 3. So we will write 2 raised to the power 3 into 7. 7 is only 1 and 2 is 3 times. So we have to write in the base 2 and the power 3. So this is the one part. Let's take one more part to understand in better way. Let's take 96. 96 number I have taken. Now we have to find out the factors of 96. Then 2 4s are, 2 8s are, 2 twos are, 2 fours are, then 2 12s are, then 2 6s are, then 2 3s are, and then 3 1s are. So these factors we have solved. Now we have to show it by diagram. Okay, so we will write here 96 number, and I told you in the previous part that on the left side of the circle we use the number which prime number we will write, which we are using to divide. So 248 will come here, and then again with 2 it will come to you 24. You can write from here only the 2 24 2 12 2 6. This way you have to solve. Now next is 2. Here it comes to you 12. Next again with 2 2 6 6, and the next again it go with 2 2. Here 3 will come. Okay, and the next will come to you here 3 3 ones are. So this we have done, and I told you that in between you have to write this multiply sign and use your pencil to make the factor tree. Now in the last we will write, therefore the factors of 96 is equal to 2 into, how many 2 are there? 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we will write here 5 2. Okay, 2 4 5 into 3. Now you can see how many are there. If we want to write in the index notation form, so it will come to you 2 raised to the power 5 into 3. This is the answer. So you can solve any question and you can make the factor tree easily.